Building your first gaming PC on a budget is an exciting challenge that can save you money and give you a deeper understanding of how your machine works. Start by setting a budget, let's say around $600 to $800. This will guide your choices. First, focus on the CPU and GPU, as they are the heart of your gaming experience. Look for a solid mid-range processor like the AMD Ryzen 5 or Intel Core i5. Pair it with a budget-friendly graphics card, like the NVIDIA GTX 1660 or AMD Radeon RX 580. These options provide great performance without breaking the bank. Next, don't skimp on RAM. Aim for at least 16 gigabytes. It's the sweet spot for gaming today. When it comes to storage, consider a combination of a 500 gigabytes SSD for your operating system and a larger HDD for games and files. This setup will give you speed and ample space. Now, let's talk about the motherboard. Choose one that's compatible with your CPU and has enough slots for future upgrades. A good power supply is crucial too. Aim for a reliable brand with at least 80+ bronze certification to ensure efficiency. Finally, don't forget the case. It should have good airflow and enough room for your components. Once you've gathered everything, watch a few assembly tutorials to guide you through the build process. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating your own gaming rig, and remember, it's all about balancing performance and budget. Happy building!